How to apply for Chase Freedom credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you apply for Chase Freedom credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for Chase credit card. After you search for that, simply tap on official site of Chase credit card. Like URL will be creditcard.chase.com. After you open official site of Chase credit card, from here you'll have to scroll down and choose for the credit card you want to be apply. Simply you'll have to choose and tap on apply now. And from here to apply for Chase Freedom credit card, you'll have to scroll down and complete all of the verification, like you'll have to provide your personal info, identification, home address, contact info, and your financial info, employment status, as you can add any authorized user. At last, you'll have to do a paperless statement. For that, you can simply read all of the pricing and terms. After you read all of the terms and condition, simply you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option I have read and agree to the above. After that, tap on submit. After you tap on submit, you'll be able to apply for Chase credit card. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.